Hello family, welcome back to Cars in Cologne, where we take cars and we take cologne and we put the two together. I'm your host Mel. This is my channel. Welcome. If it's your first time logging into the channel, welcome, and I appreciate it. I would also appreciate if you could like, comment, and subscribe. Any comments you might have about the video, if you would prefer to become a subscriber, I'd really appreciate it. It would help the channel to grow. I try to bring something unique to the community, which is cars and cologne. I try to mix the two. I pick a cologne that I think would go with the car of choice. This week I went to a car show called Caffeine and Octane here in the Atlanta area, and the cologne that I decided to wear was Creeds Himalaya. It's right here. I got the 1.7 ounce. It's silver and metallic looking bottle that's supposed to look like a mountaineer's canteen. It's from the House of Creed. It has a fresh opening of grapefruit, bergamot, and lemon. And the heart, or the mid, turns into sandalwood, and it has a base of musk, ambergris, and cedarwood. It's a wonderful light scent. It's not one that projects really well, but I did get compliments as I walked by people. I would definitely encourage someone, if you could, to get a sample and eventually purchase it. It's a very wonderful scent, summertime, very light, daytime scent. It doesn't last that long. I got maybe 5 to 6 hours, which is pretty relative for Creed fragrances. For the money, you really pay for the ingredient. You don't pay for the longevity of it at all. Because I have cheaper scents that last me 7, 8, 9, 10 hours easy. But that being said, enjoy the video. Leave any comments. I'm trying to help the channel to grow, so any ideas that you might have, I would really appreciate it. Take care. Put the drone up in the air, try to get some drone footage, and we're gonna make a video for this. So this Cars in Cologne, Big Mel coming at you. I'll talk at you later.